Okay, this is the my latest junk journal. This one is a vintage botanical or nature journal. It's about 4¼ wide, 8½ tall, so it's roughly traveler notebook size. And it's got 3 signatures. And then this is just a varnished paper that I've been hanging on to for a while. And it's got a tie closure with this really pretty sari silk. I really like this color. So when you open it up, it's got this embossed paper that I've just dyed, and then I have a tag here that I've sewn, and it's got, this is actually a napkin decal almost. And then there's some stamping in all of this. They're all botanical, like leaves and flowers kind of stamps. And I really liked the copper with this one. This one's got a journal card that's been inked. There's a little fabric tag on this one. Several of the pages have this mulberry paper that was, it just seemed to match well. It either had a botanical print or it had this rice paper look, and it blended really well with the paper. Some more stamping. This is actually from a tutorial, and I can't remember the name of the YouTuber, but I will link it in the description box. And she does, it's like a tag / journal card that just fits over the top of your pages. And then I've got a quote on here, and it opens up this way, and then there is a pocket on the back. And you can't really tell so much right now, but my sewing in this one is all, there's a few that are just brown thread, but I did really like, I had this copper colored thread that I really liked that I used in this one. There's a tag that's made, it looks like wood, it's got some texture to it. And then I had a book of flower meanings that I took some of the pages out of and put in here. A little tuck spot and a journal card. And then my tabs on this are made of muslin that I've dyed with a little bit of ink. And then this one has a bird charm that I got in a swap. And then I've got some poetry printed on tracing paper. Poetry of the Earth is Never Dead by John Keats. And a photo of fall that's printed on some tracing paper as well. Another tuck spot with the journal card. I'll try and hurry this up so it doesn't take forever. Another journal card on the other side, another piece, the other half of that page. It had some really fun illustrations in it too. This one flips out, and then I have a pocket / tuck spot here with a journal card. And then this is actually a vintage index card that was inside a book I bought. Some more stamping. Another library pocket that's been inked, and a stamp, or a tag inside, excuse me. I just like this tag. I've been hanging on to it forever to use in something, and it kind of reminds me of a garden gate. I apologize for the noise, the dishwasher is on. This pocket has, the tab on this one is actually to the journaling card inside, and it just has a key charm on it. And then it's blank on the other side, so you can write easier on it. I really like how these came out when they were glued to the page, because they look like they were a part of the page. This one is a side pocket with a journaling card. Some more stamping on the side and another journal card. This is one of my, I've been saving these. Someone gave them to me in a swap, and they're cardstock bird stickers, and I keep saving them because I really like them. Another tag that I also received in a swap and I've been hanging on to. Just a little folded piece of journaling paper. This page folds out. Some more stamping, another tab down here, and this one just has a little gold bead on it. And this one has a tuck spot with this tag. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. And then there's another tag inside the envelope right there that is also the tuck spot. And you can shut that, but I left it open so you could see the tag was in there. The sewn on quote, "The wilderness is a place of encounter with the Creator." This one is another one that folds out. Another stamped page. This is just a decoration. It's not a tuck spot, it's just adhered to the page. I just liked it. This one's a journal card I made and sewed together in this little pocket. If it will go back where it belongs. There we go. Some parchment paper. This one's a larger journaling card, but I really liked the print on the botanical print on that. And then this one is another printed tracing paper photo. And that's the end. So this one will be listed, or is listed on Etsy, or will be by the time this video is posted. And all of the details are on there. I believe it's roughly, I'm not going to tell you the page number because I can't keep straight, because I posted 2 or 3 things, or prepped the post for 2 or 3 journal things, so I don't want to be wrong, but it'll be in the description box. But this will be up on Etsy, and I think I'm going to make a couple more this size. I really like this size of book. And the next one I should be finishing is the East of the Sun, West of the Moon fairy tale inspired one, and I'm really looking forward to that one because I have all of the pages like folded and pieced sort of together the way I want them, but I have a lot of details to add, and it should be really cool when it's done. So yeah, thanks for watching.